Hey, namaste guys, Master Praveen. So you can see the one Dapchai, one handsome boy with me. So we are here, we are on the way on the Dow 1. So still it will be take about 50 kilometers from here. So last night we just stay here because we were here about 6 o'clock and it is quite very risky. So काफ़ी high mountains हैं and it will take some time. It will take more 2 hours from here. तो अभी आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज द वन प्लेस वी आर इन बिटवीन द वैली ऑफ द वेरी बिग माउंटेन्स. तो अभी यहाँ से हमें जो जाना है दैट इज़ ओके. लेट मी शो यू फ्रॉम माई बिहाइंड. आप देख सकते हैं कि दीज आर द माउंटेन्स. यू कैन सी दिस माउंटेन्स एंड वी हैव टू बी क्रॉस ऑल दिस माउंटेन. तो मैं आपको भी ना थोड़ा पीछे से दिखाता हूँ, एक बार रुकिए. सो वी आर हेयर राइट नाउ. So we are in the one small city. So we had to be cross. It's a morning about 8 o'clock at this time. So we had to be cross all this mountain. अभी जो 50 hours का जो हमारा जो जर्नी रहेगा, so we have to be cross from here. तो अभी यहाँ से निकलेंगे. हाँ, कौन टेन लांजी नोड़ी टेन लाजी we call like in the English we say what's your name. So we was eating here at this restaurant. So just we eat some noodles and then so this kid come to us and he want to take some pictures with us. So Kwedi, huh? Kon? So it's very much serious. Might be you're not understanding what I am saying. So okay guys, so we will be continuous and I will keep you update and maybe it's so much adventure is going to be. So thank you. So guys, in between the way, अभी रास्ते में है and we saw that scenery, so you can be see around. Hey Shivangi.
Hello. Good morning everyone.
So can we see? It's like breathtaking and we are really enjoying it. Big mountain and see cloud है. We have to be go there. अभी वहाँ पर भी जाना है. And यहाँ से this is the route. So beautiful. Okay, let's carry on. Guys, you can be see here like it's so amazing. You can see that turn and we are going to pass that way like in between the mountain. It's so breathtaking. It's so on the top of the mountain right now. तो मज़ा भी आ रहा है and a little bit scared too but just fun, enjoying. Guys, one more place. So here are lot of places. बहुत सारी ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर बार बार मन करता है बाइक रोक के एंड आई टेक द वीडियो एंड आई जस्ट शूट. लाइक अच्छा लग रहा है. आई कैंट एक्सप्लेन कि कितना मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ देख के. इट्स रियली नाइस. वी आर कंटिन्यूअस ऑन आवर जर्नी. वी आर स्टिल ऑन द वे. तो अभी आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं
5 kilometers left.
5 or 6? Like we had to be like still 5 kilometers more, but in between a lot of small mountains are here.
Small mountains and beautiful people.
Beautiful people like us, huh? Yes. Guys, I think we lost the way. So we don't know where to go. तो अभी हम काफ़ी we are on the very on so much on the high mountains right now. You can be see. तो अभी चल रहे हैं but अभी पता नहीं कहाँ जाना है, किधर जाना है. लगता है भटक गए. So me and Shivangi. So okay, let's restart again. Shivangi, you please sit.
Okay.
तो अभी शिवांगी विल हेल्प मी. आप इसको जस्ट टेक इट.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं पकड़ना है. हाँ.
सो विल आस्क समबडी. हम देखते हैं किससे. पूछते हैं किसी से।
अच्छा वीडियो चल रहा है।
हाँ शिवांगी, वीडियो चल रहा है अभी।
हम इतना ज़्यादा एडवेंचर क्यों कर रहे हैं? वाओ, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम। रोड ट्रिप place in Vietnam, especially in this weather.
Yeah, it's quite very cold. It's, I think temperature is about maybe 3 or 4 this time.
Maybe
3 or 4.
less than 3.
तो अभी हमें खुद ही नहीं पता where we are going. So you can be see the way road. The road are also quite like
I
the
have
small.
a feeling it will rain soon.
Oh, then it will be more big adventure for us.
Bigger adventure.
And we don't have the raincoat, right? है नहीं है?
No.
We don't have. Okay. So we should ask someone. Let's find someone. काफी सारे व्हीकल तो अभी आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर. A lot of vehicles, bikes and some transport car.
मेरा हाथ हिल गया ना. जाएगा.
So no, you have to be strong. You can move this side, Shwangi. You can give them this side.
Okay.
That.
Guys, Praveen wants you to see this side. Wow, look at that.
Hey.
दिख रहा है आपको? बीच में
Oh, this
टाइप
is a big cave, like yes. I don't know how to go there. अगर वहाँ चलते हैं और वहाँ कुछ
का. हाँ, कुछ नहीं.
so it's it's showing Shivangi is showing here. Meo Walk is 15 kilometer more.
Wow.
So
हम लोग कल सुबह से रोड पे हैं.
almost we travel, I think more than 250 kilometer, I think. So we already drive.
Yep.
And drive on the mountains is, we cannot drive like so fast. इतना तेज नहीं चला सकते. So need to be go very slowly and smoothly.
अभी इनको लोकल लोग दिखाते हैं.
So
लाइक हमारे हिमाचल में होता है वैसे ही लोग हैं.
oh, like small there are a lot of mountains here. छोटी छोटी काफ़ी मतलब कि पहाड़ियाँ हैं इधर. एंड उन्हीं के बीच में लॉट ऑफ सिटीज़ टू. हमने काफ़ी सारे सिटीज़ हमने ट्रैवल किए यहाँ पर. यू कैन बी सी द वे. यू कैन से कि यहीं से अंदर से कैसे छोटे छोटे काफ़ी रास्ते, नॉट छोटे छोटे, काफ़ी बड़े बड़े रास्ते. लॉट ऑफ बिग. सो बिग. अभी पता नहीं कहाँ ये रास्ते लेके जा रहे हैं हमें. वी आर जस्ट ट्रैवलिंग बिकॉज मी एंड शिवांगी, इट्स अ वेरी लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर अस.
First road trip together and I believe the hardest road trip so far. मैंने तो ऐसा एडवेंचर नहीं किया आज तक तो आज अभी हम कर रहे हैं.
For me also like the first time. I've been few times लेकिन कभी बाइक पर इस तरीके से नहीं गया मैं.
Next road trip will be Da Nang, from Hanoi to Da Nang. That's
yeah.
800 kilometers. But luckily that's not through the mountains, that's through the plain road. So it should be easier.
Yeah, that will be easier. But drive on the mountain can be have a very amazing experience, guys.
Wow, वो क्या है?
Where? That
वो
one?
कुछ मिलिट्री बेस लग रहा है.
Up? हाँ.
इनको कैसे दिखाऊं?
You can take up.
जब आप टर्न मारोगे तो as this is a military base, I'm not sure if you can see the structure or the statue there. Oh, okay, cool.
Like the cut is so dangerous somewhere. Difficult to move the bike. रोड के ऊपर. रोड के ऊपर.
Nice.
हाँ, अभी पीछे से भी कुछ लोग हॉर्न दे के आ रहे हैं अभी. So so we stop for a while and we find something strange, something more adventure, then we'll come back. कर दो बंद.
Okay, Google.
बंद नहीं किया क्या? Okay, you can. Hello guys, we are looking for that Mapi Road, right? Mapi Iceland. So we are there exactly. So we just come here ki find the one museum is, I think it's quite very long time before. Kon Duong Hang Phuk Happiness Road Museum. So अभी मैं अंदर गया नहीं उसके. I did not go inside yet. So okay, ये बाहर क्या रखा है कि this Shivangi something like our Indian
atta chakki.
Indian atta chakki, and some kids are here. They are also playing some kind of the instrument here.
मैंने तो पहली बार देखा है.
This the first time we saw. So okay, let's go inside. Okay. Oh, this is something ki like the yak
अंगीठी.
kind of. Oh, अंगीठी. So but
खाना बनाने के लिए.
okay, so what's, oh यहाँ एक साइकिल रखी है. You want to use cycle? It can be the cycle, I think is also.
पुराने ज़माने के इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते थे.
Oh, okay. The long time before. What's that?
ये घोड़े खच्चर पे रखने के लिए.
Oh, okay. These are the saddle. Okay. ये असली है नकली है? God?
कुछ
Okay, this and the some pictures, or maybe some long time before. A lot of atta chakkis. Maybe these are the some long time before. I think they put some pictures during the construction time and some. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर. I think only some pictures they put, different kinds and. Okay, the same. And some are the kids here. Oh, Sinkwa. So these are the some small kids and they are playing. Hello. So the kids are playing. Maybe they are just belong to this Iceland. Yeah. So okay. Yeah, there are a lot of kids here. Okay, guys. Some guys playing the flute. And I will see he the big one.
बज नहीं रहा है. ऐसे थोड़ी ऐसे तो मैं भी बजा दूँ.
Guys, finally we find the way. We are going the one place. This is our last destination here, and that place is famous for the one lake, and not lake. This is like a one big river, and the quite boating is quite famous there. तो अभी हम उसके वी आर नॉट एग्जैक्ट नियर टू देयर बिकॉज अभी वहाँ पर ट्रैवलिंग करके हमें वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा. बट वी कैन बी वॉच, यू कैन बी सी दैट रिवर फ्रॉम हियर. वी आर ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन एंड यू कैन बी सी दैट. सी इट्स लुक सो अमेजिंग, सो प्रिटी. तो अभी हमें यहाँ से यू कैन बी सी दैट रोड, यू कैन बी सी दैट वे कि हमें यहाँ से हमें निकल के जाना पड़ेगा. अभी ये देखिए, अभी आपको ये रास्ता नज़र आ रहा है. You can see we are here. अभी यहाँ से क्रॉस करके might be it will take us more, maybe 1 hour more minimum. I think 1 hour more it will take us. Let me little bit zoom. मैं zoom करके कोशिश करता हूँ. maybe थोड़ा सा और नज़दीक जाते हैं. can see, you can be see some boat is already inside that river. तो पहाड़ों के बीच में ये एक रिवर है. सो अभी हम कोशिश करेंगे वहाँ तक पहुँचने की, बट वी आर नॉट श्योर कि हाउ लॉन्ग इट विल टेक, कितना समय वहाँ पर लग जाएगा. एंड द वेदर इज़ गोइंग मोर एंड मोर लेस. अभी आई थिंक इट्स अबाउट 2 डिग्री टेम्परेचर एट दिस टाइम, वेरी मच कोल्ड. तो अभी जाएंगे वहाँ पर, देन सी. ओके. हेलो गाइस, सो वी आर इन बिटवीन द वे. अभी काफ़ी दूर है लेक वहाँ पर, यू कैन बी सी. अभी हमें वहाँ पहुँचना है अभी. सो इट विल टेक टाइम. तो अभी आई फाउंड सम प्लेस, थोड़ी सी जगह मिली मुझे. एंड योगा तो हर जगह में घुसी हुई है मेरे, कहीं से निकलती रहती है. एंड अंटिल नाउ आई डिड नॉट गेट ए चांस टू डू सम पोस्चर्स. तो आई थिंक आई शुड डू सम पोस्चर हेयर. तो शिवांगी इज शूटिंग वीडियो फॉर मी. Yeah. Okay, so let me try first. Dance pose, huh? If I fall down, so please do not laugh at me. Again. Yes. And what else? Oh, we are on the mountain, right? So I should do the mountain pose here. Can? Here. I'll try. Yes. So really so excited. अच्छा लग रहा है. It's so adventure. It's very much challenging too. And इतने ठंडे weather के अंदर and you have to drive the motorbike is also like so fun. So feeling so good and feeling so amazing.
स्वाध्याय और तपस्या.
You can say that. You can see कि whatever the rules of the yoga, so you can be apply in your daily routine life. So which I'm also feeling with that. Okay.
मोटर बाइक चलाने में जो सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन और सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन हो रहा है हम दोनों का, बहुत नेचुरल वे में हो रहा है और बहुत अमेजिंग वे में हो रहा है. और इसी एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करेंगे जब रूम में जाएंगे या एक ऐसी जगह पे जाएंगे जहाँ बैठ के आराम से बातचीत हो, एक कंफर्टेबल.
Yes. We will be discuss about it, like how you can be apply all the yoga philosophy in your daily routine life. वो कैसे उसको आप अप्लाई करेंगे अपनी रूटीन की लाइफ के अंदर. So continuous.
बाय बाय.
So guys, we are nearby that lake. Still we're driving so from the top of the mountain. So अभी शायद थोड़ा सा और टाइम लगेगा हमें, लेकिन हम थोड़ा सा नज़दीक है उसके लेक के. दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग लेक. सो अभी थोड़ी सी देर रुका है हमने. स्टॉप द बाइक. सो वेर एवर आई गेट टू टेक द व्यू, सो आई स्टॉप माई बाइक एंड आई स्टार्ट टेकिंग द लिटिल शॉर्ट शूट्स. तो अभी भी थोड़ा सा लगेगा टाइम, शायद थोड़ा सा और. एंड अभी इट्स लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. यू कैन सी द वाटर कलर इज टोटली ग्रीन एंड लाइक यू फीलिंग सो रिलैक्स एंड सो काम. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. सो नाइस. So finally we are here guys. So we had to be park our motorbike here and then now have to be go by walk. So this is the way. अभी थोड़ा नीचे हमें वॉकिंग करते हुए हमें जाना पड़ेगा and then we can be take the boat from there. So I think it's about 700 or 800 meter we had to be go by walk so that we can be reach nearby the boat. And after that we'll buy the ticket and we'll be on the boat. Okay. So now we have to go by walk तो अभी there is about 800 meter from top to down we have to go. So some kids are here. Sing Chao. Hello. So अभी जाना पड़ेगा धीरे धीरे. तो it will give us a bit warm up too. थोड़ा सा warm up भी हो जाएगा इसी बहाने. So hello, and the kids here. Hello. So it's just the way. Dhirendra Shivang is upstairs and she is talking with the tourist guy, and I am just watching the same like the mountains here, and that small river or the lake is downstairs. So go by the walk. अभी रास्ता कुछ अजीब सा है. A little strange the walk. I think it's some artificial walk they make. थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे. Called in Hindi like the Ubad Khabad Rasta. Quite excited. बस चलते जाइए. पहले तो we were busy to ride the bike, and this is just the last destination, and after that we need to be returned back. उसके बाद फिर वही I think about 200 kilometer again we had to be drive the motorbike, and it is quite excited journey. For the last 2 days we are just exploring. We are driving a bike a lot, but if you want to have more experience, so you need enough time for that. तो थोड़ा सा और जितना टाइम आप देंगे यहाँ पर, then you can be explore more. Maybe I'll get chance, I'll be come back again, then can be stay here and can be spend more time. तो अभी और नीचे जाना है. अभी someone is coming. It's like the way is थोड़ा सा अजीब सा है, and my focus is on making video. तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान भी रखना पड़ेगा, कहीं गिर गया तो. Okay, then I'll go downstairs, then I'll shoot again. So now we are almost nearby.
No, you're not almost.
Sorry, I chose the wrong way. मैं सोचा कि थोड़ा सा शॉर्टकट मार लूँ. So, but there are the stairs. Yes, now I'm on the stairs. Yes. So, yeah, I think it's more 300-400 meter more we have to go. Hello, Colin. Na suwang di khong kan Colin na. D lane kan Colin. Colin means keep try. अभी तो हम नीचे जा रहे हैं because we are going down, so we do not need that much energy, just need to be safe. But when we will be come back upstairs, अभी वापस इसी स्टेयर से हमें वापस आना पड़ेगा, then it will take more energy. तो अभी देख लीजिए, हम just we are near to there, so excited. तो maybe today we had to be stay here. The last bus to come back this about 4 p.m. It's okay, guys. So guys, I still on the stairs, and we are going near to that lake, and I think this is the most excited part because it's quite very complicated way to Shivangi. Going by a bike, I think it was easy. Yes.
Yeah, these stairs are
Oh, horrible. Come on.
okay. Coming.
Yeah. So still you can see. Abhi yahan se, then there. So a lot of hard work, but challenging. So a lot of challenges we are facing on this trip, but so far it's excited. Each and every challenge let you learn something. So this is also the one reason that why I choose to come in Ha Giang. So before I come in Ha Giang, so a lot of like my local friends say, they said this is not the good time because January is the most coldest time, and the weather is not so good. It can be the rain, it can be the snow, and Shivangi is saying that for her it will be her personal achievement. For the long time she do not have this kind of adventure. अभी वो योगा ही करवाती है ना अभी. So we are near. Okay. Guys, finally we are more close. थोड़ा और नज़दीक आ गए हैं, but still we are, I think more 300 meter. I have to go धीरे धीरे उतरना पड़ रहा है because it's quite somewhere is very slidery. कई जगह पर there is like no stairs, तो फिसलने का डर है. So just we are going so slow, like just step by step. But we are almost near. थोड़ा सा और हमें चलना है यहाँ से. Just a bit more. We need to be walk, and then we will be on the boat. So there are so many boats are there. So we'll go down and we'll be choose some boat. We'll buy the ticket, and then we will be in the boat. तो अभी just चलते जाओ, just keep walking, just keep walking. Oh, ऊपर से तो काफ़ी it was looking so small, but side is quite huge. See that. बड़ा अच्छा सा लग रहा है, like पहाड़ों के बीच में there is a one river, beautiful river. So just nearby. So guys, finally we are on the boat. So you can see. So we are just reach on the boat. Okay. Now we come back. So these are the kids from mountain, and they never get tired. So we already had that experience in the boat. So now we on the way back to go top of the mountain, but I think when we went down it much easy, but when we go up I need a lot of energy and a lot of strength. So still so far to go. So we have to be go there. Oh, we are nearby. Oh, right. So we are nearby. So these guys are using the shortcut. This is their shortcut, but we are going by stairs. So it will be much easier because they are used to it. I'm sorry. So might take us another 15 minutes more, or might be 10 minutes more. Namaste guys, Master Praveen. आशा करता हूँ कि you all are doing great and doing your yoga practice every day. So if you really like this video, so please like, share and subscribe so that more people can come to know more about the yoga and everyone can do the yoga together. Another thing, like if anyone want to do the yoga training with me, the regular classes, intermediate classes, advanced classes on some different basic concept courses, certificate courses, short courses, long courses, like the 200 hour, 300 hour, 500 hour. If someone really want to be keen to become a yoga teacher, you want to be build up your career in the yoga, so you can contact to me. There are a lot of batches are going on, so आप उनसे contact कर सकते हैं. I am giving you my email, I am giving my WhatsApp number, and I am also mentioning my website, that is www.praveenyoga.com. You can find all the information there. My WhatsApp number, Indian code everyone know, 9306018704, and my email info.praveenyoga@gmail.com. So आप किसी भी चैनल से you can contact to me and give me chance to let's do the yoga together. So thank you so much. Hari Om, Om Shanti. Namaste.